It's about time that we work together. Hindi lang ito trabaho ng simbahan, kasi ang simbahan ang konsyensya ng bayan, so to speak. Lahat naman tayo may konsyensya, and I hope meron pa tayong konsyensya na kapag nakakasira tayo ng kalikasan, wag na nating ipagpalagay na wala na, mabahala na yung susunod na henerasyon dyan. Basta ako makikinabang ngayon. Sana yung konsyensya natin ay hindi lang yung tungkol sa basta mali yung iba, pero ako, wala akong kamalian dyan. Kailangan ko ng pera, kailangan ko mabuhay, and I can cut corners simply because of that. There are other ways to solve our difficulties if we work together. And this is one panawagan namin dito. Pangalawa, government should be on our side. Yan ang dapat na trabaho ng gobyerno kasi naglilingkod sa bayan eh. Pinaglilingkuran tayo. But the problem is, nasaan ang gobyerno? Bakit yung tanong, pag lumapit ka sa isang ahensya, hindi amin yan, problema doon kayo sa kabila. Bakit tayo pinagpapasa-pasa at who is going to be responsible for all these disasters? Pag bumagsak yung yung tubig diyan sa bulkan at binaha, sinong nagiging responsible? Wala. Sisihan tayo, sinisisi natin ang kalikasan. Kasi climate change. Siguro nga climate change, pero it has also been acknowledged that climate change is partly due to man's irresponsible use of things that he has. Fossil fuels, ang pagtatapon natin ng basura, ang pagpuputol natin ng walang pakundangan ng mga kahoy natin sa kabundukan. You call that climate change? It's human change. It's human misuse and abuse of what God has given us. But finally, Rides, next year, the Holy Father is calling us to a jubilee of hope. And I think this is what we have to hold on to. Kasi sa ngayon, wala naman tayo talagang pinangahawakang lakas eh. We are still helpless. We can only appeal. Sabi nga, so, mag-ano ba tayo? Mag-accuse ba tayo? Wala kaming karapatan. Sabi nga ni Father Neil, mag-iipon muna tayo ng ebidensya. Marami naman tayong ebidensya, but the church is not there to, what do you call this, to be an accuser. People, if they want to, we can work together, and we don't have to go to all the way to the courts, but we can simply call on the conscience of people, of our leaders, and say, tulungan nyo naman kami, baguhin na natin ito. It's about time that we work together. Do away with all the misuse and abuse. Let us regulate our greed. Hindi lang yung mga pagbubungkal ng ng mga lupa, ng kokwari. Let us regulate our greed, because it seems greed is the one that is running the show. Ang sabi natin sa Bicol, ang kapasluan. Nagugutom na kitang maray sa kapangyarihan, sa kwarta, sa yaman, and we forget that when doing this, we also step on other people's lives, rights, and dreams. So let us hope together. But hope is not just hope na sana bukas maliwanag na ito, sana bukas may remedyohan na ito. Hope is also something that we do together. Let us walk together and make our hope realized, always with the help of God. So yun ang gusto naming iparating dito, at maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tutulong at sasama sa pangarap naming ito.